Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic might hit close to home for some Canadians on the move. We've all heard the stories chasing sunshine in California, building a new life in Europe, or maybe just following that dream job across the border. But what happens to your investments back home? Specifically, can you keep your Wealthsimple account if you ditch the maple syrup and head south? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Wealthsimple and residency. Now, some of you might be thinking, isn't Wealthsimple a Canadian company? Stands to reason they only deal with Canadians, right? Well, that's a good starting point. Wealthsimple is indeed a Canadian powerhouse, and like many institutions, they have regulations to follow. Here's the key takeaway: Wealthsimple can only hold accounts for residents of Canada. That means if you become a non-resident for tax purposes, your Wealthsimple account is in for some changes. But don't panic yet. This doesn't necessarily mean you have to say goodbye to your investments forever. Let's explore your options. Option 1, hold but no touch. This might be the simplest route for some. Wealthsimple allows you to hold your account as a non-resident. Basically, your investments stay put, but your account goes into a kind of hibernation. You won't be able to make any deposits, withdrawals, trades, or enjoy the sweet magic of auto-invest. However, any dividends you earn will still trickle in, just chilling as cash in your account, not getting reinvested. The upside? Your current investments keep chugging along with the market. The downside? You're missing out on potential growth opportunities and any cool new features Wealthsimple might roll out. Option 2, transfer those gains. Maybe you're itching to take more control. This option involves transferring your Wealthsimple holdings to another institution that caters to non-residents. This could be a great choice if you want to keep actively managing your investments abroad. But remember, transfers can take time and might come with fees. Do your research and find a platform that aligns with your investment goals and your new residency status. Option 3, cash out and go. This might be the most straightforward option, but it's not without its considerations. You can simply liquidate your holdings and withdraw the funds to your bank account. Now, you'll have immediate access to that cash, but there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, you might face capital gains taxes depending on the performance of your investments. Second, withdrawing from certain accounts, like RRSPs, can come with hefty withholding taxes. Making the right move. Alright, so we've explored your options. But before you make any decisions, here are some additional things to consider. Tax implications. This might be the biggest factor. Leaving Canada doesn't mean you're off the tax hook for your Canadian investments. Research the tax laws of your new country of residence and understand the potential tax implications of each option. Consulting a tax professional familiar with both Canadian and your new country's tax laws is highly recommended. Investment goals. Are you saving for retirement, a dream vacation, or that fancy new car? Knowing your goals will help you choose the option that best fits your timeline and risk tolerance. Account types. Wealthsimple offers different account types, like TFSAs, RRSPs, and personal accounts. The rules for each might differ when it comes to residency changes. Make sure you understand the specific regulations for each account you hold. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best option for you will depend on your individual circumstances. Take some time, weigh the pros and cons, and don't be afraid to seek professional financial advice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.